Hello viewers, today we are going to start a new chapter, demographic attributes. So what are demographics? Actually, demographic analysis is the study of a population based on some factors like age and sex composition, birth rate, death rates, income, etc. Okay, so our first point is rural and urban population. The population of India may be classified into rural and urban on the basis of their place of residence. Let's see the differences between rural and urban population, then the definition will be cleared. Rural population lives in villages, means rural areas, whereas urban population lives in towns and cities. Rural people are mainly engaged in primary activities like agriculture, forestry, etc. On the other hand, the urban people are mainly engaged in secondary and tertiary activities like industry, trade, different types of services, etc. Rural population lives in open and pollution-free environment, while environmental pollution is a great problem with urban population, right? And rural people are deprived of modern facilities of health, education, sanitation, etc. While modern facilities of health, education, sanitation are available to urban population. So these are the differences between rural and urban population. Come to the next point, sex composition. Sex composition is one of the basic demographic characteristics of population. What do you mean by sex ratio? The number of females per thousand males in the population referred to as sex ratio. According to 2011 census, the overall sex ratio for Indian population is 940. This suggests that the number of females is quite less as compared to males. Actually, the sex ratio is considered favorable if there is an equal or a higher number of females per thousand males in the population, and adverse or unfavorable sex ratio means that there is a lower number of females per thousand males in the population, right? According to census data from 1901 to 2011 makes it clear that the sex ratio has declined over the decades. According to census data from 1901 to 2011. Have a quick look. Come to the next point, age composition. Age composition refers to the percentage of people in different age groups in a given population. It differs from country to country. The section of the population between 14 to 60 years of age is considered to be the working population. A higher working population is considered an asset for a country. That means there is a high availability of labor for the development of the nation. Look at the diagram. A population pyramid is a specially design diagram that shows the age and sex composition of a population. It is known as the age-sex pyramid and population pyramid. Okay. You can see here the diagram consists of bars arranged in the form of a pyramid with the longer bars at the base and the shorter ones at the top, right? The bars show different age groups with the males on the left and the females on the right. Okay. The base represents the youngest age group and the apex represent the oldest age group. You can see here the age groups are written here, right? The age groups are arranged in an ascending order vertically with the youngest age group at the bottom. The shape of the population pyramid shows the characteristics of the population. Come to the next point, literacy rate. Literacy rate is the number of literate persons for each 100 people and is expressed in percentages, right? This is the formula of literacy rate. Have a quick look.